One of the people who helped craft the fetal heartbeat bill was Blaine Conzatti, the president of the Idaho Family Policy Center. Idaho News 6 reached out to see how he feels about today's court hearings and what he thinks will happen next.
Yeah, we're really pleased with how the hearing went today before the Idaho State Supreme Court. And we're confident that in about 2 weeks, the Idaho heartbeat law will go into effect, protecting preborn babies with beating hearts, extending legal protections to those children who have long been denied justice in this state. And then the trigger law is scheduled to go into effect the week after that. And based on how the hearings went today, we're confident that the Idaho State Supreme Court understands the state constitution does allow the state legislature to protect preborn life, extending legal protections to all people regardless of their stage of development.
Conzatti says the organization will wait on a decision from the Idaho Supreme Court in the coming weeks.
Meantime, Planned Parenthood holding a press conference at the State House after the hearings. Multiple speakers offered support for the organization's lawsuits against the state. Dr. Caitlin Gustafson, a family doctor and plaintiff in the lawsuits, saying that despite differing opinions, abortion should be a personal decision.
While we can and must respect each other's deeply held personal beliefs around abortion, we must also understand and respect that decisions around pregnancy are deeply personal and often complex. If allowed to go into effect, these bans will hurt pregnant people and could cost lives.
Gustafson also asked Governor Brad Little to stop endorsing these laws and instead focus on upholding access to reproductive health care.